Hey everyone! Ready to draw a quick and easy girl portrait in just 2 minutes? Grab your pencils and let's get started. First, we'll begin with a simple circle for the head. Draw a light vertical line down the center and a horizontal line about 1/3 down for the eyes. These guidelines will help keep everything in proportion. Next, sketch in the jawline. Start from the sides of the circle, curving down to meet at a point for the chin. Now, add a neck with 2 lines extending down from the sides of the jaw. Now let's place the eyes. Draw 2 almond shapes along the horizontal guideline. Add a smaller circle inside each for the iris and a tiny dot for the pupil. Don't forget to add some light shading for depth. Time for the nose. Draw a small curved line halfway between the eyes and the chin. Add 2 small nostrils on either side. For the mouth, sketch a small line halfway between the nose and the chin, then curve it upward slightly for a gentle smile. Let's tackle the hair. Start with the hairline just above the circle. Draw flowing lines down from the top of the head to frame the face. Be creative and let the hair flow naturally. For the ears, draw 2 small oval shapes on either side of the head, aligned with the eyes and nose. Add some simple details inside to give them more character. Finally, add some finishing touches. Darken the eyes, add eyelashes, and outline the lips. You can add some light shading to give your portrait more dimension. And there you have it. A quick and easy girl portrait in just 2 minutes. Keep practicing and you'll get better every time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more art tips and tricks. Happy drawing!